Whenever you're talking about slope, you can try to decide if two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither by looking at their slope. For instance, if I had a line like that, and a line that looked like that, those look like they are parallel, and they don't exactly look parallel, but that was my intent. If you go up 2 and over 3, you would keep landing on this line. The slope is up 2 over 3. If I pick a point on this line and go up 2 and over 3, I'm landing on the line. These two lines will never touch. They will never intersect, and they're in the same plane. You learned that in geometry. So two lines with the same slope are parallel. So 2/3, 2/3, we have two parallel lines. Now, 4/6 would work too, you have to reduce. But what if lines are perpendicular? And I know you did this in geometry. Two lines that are perpendicular, that means they form a right angle. Well, you notice that this one would have a positive slope. And you notice this one would have a negative slope. In fact, whenever you have perpendicular lines, one is going to have a positive and one is going to have a negative. And actually, if this one had a slope of positive 2/3, this one would be a negative 3/2. So perpendicular lines are not only opposite signs, but they are reciprocals as well. You switch the numerator and the denominator to tell if they're perpendicular lines. I do want to remind you that if you have an equation that is already in slope-intercept form, this number tells you the slope, and this number tells you the y-intercept.